Welcome back. Now the experts at Ridgewater are answering your bathroom questions.
When is it time to renovate a bathroom?
Renovating a bathroom depends on the age of the house. This house here was an older house, 1970s. It had a toilet and a sink for their ensuite. They wanted more space, they wanted another sink, and they wanted a shower. So we ended up bumping the house out 3 feet and then taking what used to be the closet and turning that into the shower. This wall here, this open space, will actually be a glass wall to let natural light into the shower so it's not dark. The closet got moved to another corner of the bedroom to maximize the most amount of space in this master bedroom, creating a beautiful ensuite that's very functional for this family.